Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki KLX110 youth dirt bike, electric start, 4-stroke 110. This is an automatic clutch, 3-speed, but you can upgrade it to 4 speeds. It's also got a throttle limiter screw so you make sure they don't go too fast when they're learning. Electric start. This is a perfect beginner bike for a kid about 5 to 7 years old. Excellent condition. Come by, check it out. Save hundreds over the price of new. This one's only $19.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any different time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Automatic clutch, it won't stall. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.